So it is 1:58 a.m. in real time. All of us are together. We just kind of came into my other space. It feels like it's been cooler in here. That motion sensor is not going on. Before it was going on with Nancy and I, just abnormally on its own terms. There is one vent in here. There hasn't been anything that's come out for heat. The furnace has not kicked on. So the temperature in this room hasn't been regulated any differently than what's outside in our main living room space. You can see there's one vent above there. It's also opened. The furnace has not kicked in, but the temperature distribution between both rooms is grossly different. There's also a vent cap in here. You can see in the bathroom. Temperature feels the same way as it does here in the general living space. Everything inside of the space, inside my master room.
So it's cold when I walk down right here.
It's cooler.
Yeah, it is.
You're going to still have the same external barriers for walls out here as you will out there. There's no difference in insulation, as well as only the one window in here compared to the one window in the main living space. The furnace, in terms of the heat being risen and any heat being penetrated down, has not changed at all. So
is it really cold right here?
It's cooler in this room.
Oh my gosh. It's like an icicle here. It's freezing. Like, my feet are freezing. Your feet are going to freeze to death.
It's like frozen feet over there.
Right?
It is pretty cold.
Over here, right? More than anything.
It's nice and warm here.
Oh, I feel that.
Right?
And I'm wearing socks, and I can feel that this is like ice cold right here in this physical space.
Like, it should be colder over here.
And there's no draft. This window hasn't been opened in 2 years since we've moved into this space. Just to note, 10 minutes ago, this red light on the sensor went off when Nancy and I came in this room, which is abnormal. There's other times now that this has gone off on its own while we haven't been in this space. I have my cameras censored to 34 or 36 inches to identify that if there's movement in here, this motion sensor is going to pick it up and it's going to register and send me a notification to my phone. We haven't had that happen other than abnormal times tonight. So it's different in temperature in here. This is incredibly cold.
Incredibly cold.
Right here, this physical space of literally 12
Right
inches,
there.
even though we're not any difference in external outside from the wall, the windows, this is warmer.
It is colder. Yeah.
It doesn't make any sense.
It is colder, yep.
Again, the motion has not been detected, even though we're in here, because it's not in an abnormal space. But it's different and it's weird that the temperature and the feel of the space and the coolness in this room is much different than what's noted on the floor outside.